Hi beautiful people, in today's vlog we're going to be making grilled fish in an oven. So guys, I actually washed the fish and this is me setting the white paper I'm going to place the fish in before I pepper its body and head it straight into the oven. So if you want to watch how I do this, guys, make sure you watch this video to the end. Guys, that is the fish and I actually have put all the pepper on its body. The pepper mix is consists of pepper, onion, ginger. Yeah, make sure you add the pepper to your taste. The amount of pepper you would love to have on it, that's the amount you should add to it. You can go in with some little oil because this fish is kind of very dry, so I don't want it to get burnt, so I go in with some little burner oil and then wrap it in the white paper and spread it into the oven. Guys, make sure you place it properly in the oven just like I'm doing it right here. So after that, at this point I haven't turned on the oven yet, but I can so yeah, after that I go in with my seasoning cubes, the Maggi and the pepper. Cook this pepper without a lot of oil, just very little oil, going with a very little oil and cook this. Add some onions, add some seasoning cubes and let it boil until it's okay. It tastes
because of 3 years.
So yeah guys, after that keep mixing. Guys, this is the onions. I didn't put the onions on time because I honestly wanted it to like boil, for the pepper to boil so the onions is not overcooked. Yeah, at that point my fish is cooking properly, swiftly in the oven. And yes, here you go guys, I just want to show you what it looks like right now. And this is me doing the potato chips like here. I was pairing this with some potatoes, so I was peeling the potatoes here, and after I finished peeling it, I diced it. At this point I wasn't dicing it so little, I really diced it a bit because it was so there was no place too small. So after peeling it, I just take it. Potato, sweet potatoes by the way. You can use your Irish potato or whichever one you want to use. So at this point, I peeled it until I finished and then I started slicing it because I didn't slice it so small because I was gonna have it at home, you know. So actually this was breakfast. So and this was so delicious, guys. I love it. I love every bite of it. Oh my god. The knife was almost cutting. Wow. And here we're frying. I was frying it. After frying, I went in with some onions to give it a beautiful fragrance. Beautiful aroma. That's the word, not fragrance, guys. Beautiful aroma. And here my fish and potato was ready, guys. This is what I had for breakfast. So if this video is helpful, please like, share and subscribe. I love you. Mwah.